African elephants, mourning rituals and social bonds. African elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, are not only symbols of strength and majesty, but also of profound emotional depth and intelligence. Found across the savannas, forests and deserts of Africa, these gentle giants are renowned for their close-knit family units, intricate communication systems, and, most intriguingly, their behaviors surrounding death and mourning. They offer a remarkable insight into the complexity of animal emotions and social bonds. What are African elephants? There are two primary species of African elephants, savanna elephant, found in open plains and grasslands, smaller in size, residing in the dense forests of Central and West Africa. These species differ slightly in size, tusk shape and habitat preference, but both display similar behaviors when it comes to social interactions and family dynamics. Physical characteristics. Size. Adult males, bulls, can weigh up to 6 tons and stand about 13 feet, 4 meters, tall at the shoulder. Females, cows, are slightly smaller, weighing around 3-4 tons. Large, fan-like ears not only help regulate their body temperature, but are also a unique identifier, as each elephant has a distinct ear pattern. Trunk. The elephant's trunk is a combination of the nose and upper lip, with 400 muscles. It is used for breathing, smelling, touching, grasping and communicating. Tusks. Both male and female African elephants have tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth used for digging, stripping bark and defense hides. Their thick, wrinkled skin helps retain moisture and provides protection, but it's sensitive and requires regular mud baths to prevent sunburn and insect bites. Family and social structure. African elephants live in matriarchal herds where a dominant older female leads the group. Elders work together to superimpose their will on the group. These herds typically consist of mothers, daughters, sisters, and their calves, while adult males leave the herd upon maturity and live solitary lives or form bachelor groups and matriarchs. The matriarch is the decision maker, guiding the herd to water, food, and safety, using her extensive knowledge of the environment. Bonding. Elephants are highly social animals, displaying affectionate behaviors such as trunk entwining, playful nudges, and collective care for young calves. Communication. They use a combination of vocalizations, body language, and seismic vibrations to communicate over long distances. Low-frequency rumbles can travel through the ground for miles.
Mourning rituals. One of the most fascinating aspects of African elephants is their behavior around death. Elephants exhibit signs of mourning and grief, which are rare in the animal kingdom. Recognizing death. When an elephant dies, herd members gather around the body. They use their trunks to gently touch and smell the remains, as though confirming the loss. Silent vigil. Elephants often stand around the deceased, remaining unusually quiet for hours or even days. This solemn behavior is thought to reflect a form of mourning. Revisiting graves. Elephants are known to revisit the bones or burial sites of their deceased herd members, gently touching the remains with their trunks. They appear to show particular interest in skulls and tusks. Grieving behaviors. Elephants have been observed appearing visibly distressed after the death of a herd member, sometimes letting out low rumbles or appearing lethargic. Helping the injured or dying. Elephants display compassion by trying to assist injured or dying members, sometimes even lifting them with their trunks or bringing food. Intelligence and emotional depth. Elephants are widely regarded as one of the most intelligent animals on Earth. Their large brains, weighing around 11 pounds, enable them to exhibit behaviors that mirror human emotions. Memory. Elephants have incredible long-term memory, which allows them to recall the locations of water sources and recognize individuals even after years of separation. Empathy. Elephants display empathy, comforting distressed herd members or forming bonds with other species, including humans. Playfulness. Young elephants enjoy playing games, such as mock charging, swimming, or rolling in the mud, which helps develop their physical and social skills. Problem solving. Elephants can use tools, such as branches to swat flies, or create makeshift digging tools to access water. Challenges in the wild. Despite their intelligence and adaptability, African elephants face numerous threats, primarily due to human activities. Poaching. Elephants are hunted for their ivory tusks, leading to dramatic population declines. Ivory trade bans have helped, but illegal poaching persists. Habitat loss. Expanding agriculture, mining, and urbanization have fragmented elephant habitats, forcing them into smaller, isolated areas. Human-wildlife conflict. As elephants encroach on farmland in search of food, they sometimes destroy crops, leading to conflicts with local communities. Climate change. Shifts in weather patterns affect the availability of water and food, adding stress to elephant populations. Conservation efforts to ensure the survival of African elephants. Numerous conservation initiatives are in place. Anti-poaching patrols, rangers and technology, such as drones and GPS tracking, are used to protect elephants from poachers. Wildlife corridors. Protected corridors allow elephants to move freely between habitats without human interference. Ecotourism. Many reserves and parks promote ecotourism, which generates income for conservation efforts in local communities. Awareness campaigns. Organizations like the World Wildlife Fund, WWF, and Elephant Crisis Fund work to raise awareness and combat illegal ivory trade. Interesting facts about African elephants. Big appetites. Elephants can consume up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms, of food daily, including grasses, fruits, and bark. Water lovers. Elephants are excellent swimmers and often play in rivers, using their trunks as snorkels. Social networking. Elephants can recognize and remember up to 100 individuals, maintaining complex social networks. Superhearing, their ears not only hear low-frequency sounds but also help detect vibrations through the ground. Tusks as tools. Besides being a target for poachers, tusks are essential for digging, fighting, and stripping bark from trees. Why elephants matter. African elephants are keystone species, meaning their presence is critical to maintaining the balance of their ecosystems. By trampling paths, creating water holes, and dispersing seeds, they help sustain biodiversity in their habitats. Conclusion. African elephants are more than just iconic animals of the savannah. They are intelligent, emotional, and deeply social creatures with rituals and behaviors that resonate with human qualities. Their mourning rituals and strong social bonds highlight the depth of their emotional world. reminding us of the importance of preserving these gentle giants. By protecting elephants and their habitats, we not only ensure their survival, but also contribute to the health of ecosystems that benefit countless other species.